Good morning, Junior 3. Today we will start the fractions. But before it, we will need what is the fraction and what is the equal part and unequal part. If we have a circle, this circle is whole part. It's called what? Whole. If the circle pizza and we cut between two persons, we will cut like this, two equal part. So if we cut any shape two equal part like this is part equal to this, put them have the same size, yes, so this is equal part. But if I cut the circle two parts, this part have the same size of the other one? No. So this is unequal part. Open sheet 4. Sheet 4, page 1. The first shape is whole circle. But the second shape, we have two parts. This part have the same size of this? No. So unequal part. Why? Aren't the same side. But this the same side. This is half circle and this is half circle, have the same size. So two equal parts. Example, this is rectangle. We will cut two equal parts. Why? Have the same size, but this unequal part. This equal part, but this unequal parts. Circle 7 shapes have split, it's mean cut. This is split. This mean split. Okay? Two equal parts. This is equal part? No. This? No. This? Yes. 1. This is equal part? No. This? Yes. 2. This is equal part? Yes. This part equal to the other. We have 4 equal parts. 3. This is equal part? Yes. 4. And this no. This no. This yes. 5. This is equal part, so no. Why? This is large. This is small. Smaller. This equal? Yes. 6. And this yes. 3 equal part. 7. But this no. This is very small and this is very big. Take right. The figure has equal part. This yes. This no. Equal part. This is not equal part. This is not. Yes. And this no. And this yes. This no. Equal. The next page, page 4, homework. Now we will start. What is the meaning of the fraction? If we have any shape like this, rectangle, if I cut by equal part, any part is called the fraction. Any part from this is called the fraction. But if we have, this is not equal, okay. But if we have cut, this part is called the fraction, no. So the fraction, any part from the whole cutting by equal parts. cutting by what? Equal parts. This is not fraction and this is not fraction. Okay, what we need from the fraction? We need three main objects. How to write the fraction and how to read the fraction and how to color any shape like this fraction. How to write it? If we cut any shape to two equal parts, this is called half. We take engineer 2, it's called half. But if we cut this is part to 3 equal part, this is called third. If we have one part, it's called half. But if we have the circle without color, this is called halves. So, what's the name of this? Halves. And what's the name of this shape? Thirds. Okay, and the color one only, 1/3 or third only. This is fourth. Means we have one color? No, so fourths or quarter. Okay, and 5 part, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's called fifths. This is 4 part, this fifths, okay? But if I color one part only, this is called fifths or 1/5 or a fifth. We have the same meaning, fifth or a fifth or 1/5. Open page 5. The fraction in each part from or of the whole is called fraction, but must be cutting to equal parts, okay? The fraction. If we have 1/2, how to write it? Half. And how to read it? Half. How to write it? We will put bar fraction. This is called the bar fraction. And the upper part is called numerator. The upper part is called numerator and the lower is called denominator. The upper part, how many color part? One only. So we write 1. And how many in denominator? How many all parts? 1, 2. So how to write it? 1/2. And how to write it by words? Half. And how to color it? 1 in the upper part in numerator. So we will color one part only. Like this. 1/2. Why? The colored part 1 only. And denominator in denominator 2. Why? The all parts 1, 2. So we have the whole part, and if we cut 2 parts, 1/2 and 3 parts third, fourth or quarter, we can write fourth, fifths, sixths, sevenths, eighths, ninths. If we have 9 parts, like what? Ordinal numbers, tenses, okay? Open page 6. We have here the table to tens. This is called tens. Tens, why? We have colored part 1 and the all parts here 10 and the all parts here 10. Here 1 only part and all parts 9. Okay? Here we have 1 only color, but how many all parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 1, 2 colored, so write 2 in the upper part and in the denominator 1, 2, 3. Here how many colored part? 1, 2, 3. So write here 3. But all parts 1, 2, 3, 4. Means we have lesson 2 The unit fraction. What's the meaning of the unit fraction? It's any fraction but have the numerator 1. So the unit fraction. This is unit fraction. Yes. This is unit fraction. Yes. This is unit fraction. Yes. Miss, but this is unit fraction? No. Why? The denominator is in numerator is 7. No. Unit fraction is called about the fraction which the its numerator is 1 only. Okay? So the unit fraction, the fraction that has 1 in numerator. Okay? This is examples to unit fraction. Open page 7. How many colored part 1? How many colored part 1? How many all parts here? 1, 2. How many all parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many all parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many colored part? 1, 2, 3. How many colored part? 1, 2. How many colored part? 1 only. How many colored part? 1 and all parts 1, 2. This is homework and this is solved for you. How many colored part? 1. How many all parts? 1, 2. So we will choose 1 over 2. Here, how many colored part? 1. How many all parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, how many colored part? 1. How many all parts? 1, 2, 3. How many colored part? 1, 2, 3. How many all parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many colored part? 2. How many all parts? 3. This is homework. Write the fraction. How many colored part? 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Homework. And this is homework. How to color the fraction? We will look on to the numerator only. We have here what? 1 only. So we will color 1 only. We have here 3 over 6. Look at the 3. So we will color 3 part. 1, 2, 3. Here 2. Here 3. We have here 2. We have here 1 only. And the last column for you homework. We have here 2 parts. So this is halves. We have here 3 parts. So this is thirds. We have here what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. But we have here what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourths. This is 1, 2, 3. So thirds.